Quantinuum's Helios changes everything. The future of quantum computing intro. What if I told you that a new computer has been unveiled that can solve problems so complex that reproducing the results using conventional computers would require more energy than all the suns in the universe? That might sound like science fiction, but according to Quantinuum, that's exactly what their new quantum computer, Helios, is capable of. Today we're looking at Quantinuum, why the launch of Helios is making headlines around the world, and why many experts believe quantum computing could become as transformative as artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. What is Quantinuum? First, let's talk about the company behind this breakthrough. Quantinuum was formed by combining Honeywell Quantum Solutions with Cambridge Quantum. Their mission is simple, but incredibly ambitious. Build practical quantum computers capable of solving problems that today's most powerful supercomputers cannot handle. Unlike traditional computers, which process information as bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. Qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, allowing quantum systems to explore vast numbers of possibilities at once. In theory, this enables quantum computers to tackle problems involving chemistry, material science, logistics, AI, cryptography, and financial modeling far faster than classical machines. The big announcement, Helios. Now let's talk about the star of the show, Helios. Quantinuum recently launched Helios, which they describe as the world's most accurate commercial quantum computer. Helios contains 98 high-fidelity physical qubits and can create 48 error-corrected logical qubits, a major milestone for the industry. If you're wondering why that matters, here's the key point. Quantum computers are incredibly powerful, but they're also incredibly fragile. Tiny disturbances can cause errors that ruin calculations. For years, quantum companies have struggled with reliability. Helios is significant because it pushes quantum computing closer to real-world commercial use by dramatically improving accuracy and error correction. Why people are excited? The excitement around Helios isn't just about bigger numbers, it's about crossing a threshold. Quantinuum claims that Helios has moved firmly into what is known as the quantum advantage era, where certain tasks can be performed more effectively than classical computers. Even before its official launch, researchers were using Helios to study complex quantum systems involving superconductivity and magnetic materials. These are problems that become exponentially more difficult for classical computers as they grow in size. The AI connection. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Most people think of AI and quantum computing as separate technologies. Quantinuum believes they will eventually work together. The company has partnered with NVIDIA to connect quantum systems with advanced AI infrastructure. Their vision is a future where AI and quantum computers operate side by side, each solving the types of problems they're best suited for. Imagine AI discovering a new medicine. Then imagine a quantum computer simulating the molecular interactions at a level impossible for today's computers. That's the type of future Quantinuum is trying to build. Who is using it? Another reason this announcement matters is because major organizations are already involved. Companies including BMW, JP Morgan Chase, SoftBank, Amgen, and NVIDIA have worked with Quantinuum systems or participated in Helios-related initiatives. This shows that quantum computing is gradually moving from the research lab into the commercial world. It's no longer just academics talking about the future. Large corporations are investing real money and resources into preparing for it. What does this mean for the future? Now, let's keep things realistic. Quantum computers are not about to replace your laptop. They won't replace data centers overnight, and they won't suddenly solve every problem humanity faces. But Helios demonstrates something important. The industry is making measurable progress. Each generation of quantum hardware is becoming more reliable, more accessible, and more commercially useful. Many experts compare today's quantum industry to the early days of the internet or artificial intelligence. The technology isn't fully mature yet, but the foundations are being built right now. Conclusion. So, is Helios the beginning of a quantum revolution? Nobody knows for certain, but what we do know is that Quantinuum has delivered one of the most advanced quantum systems ever released commercially, and the world is paying attention. As AI, quantum computing, and advanced hardware continue to converge, we may be witnessing the start of a completely new era in computing. And if that happens, Helios could be remembered as one of the machines that helped make it possible. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Do you think quantum computing will be as transformative as artificial intelligence? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.